Hi, it's Sanjay here, founder of Moss Properties. Just wanted to tell you about James's Inner Circle. I've been a member now for the last 9 months, started earlier this year, and basically what I'd like you to know is he's been absolutely instrumental in helping us engage with our audience, and also he's really made sure that we understand what it's about in terms of pushing content out to our audience, getting them engaged, and on top of all that, he's actually helped us to win an award within our industry through the Guild of Property Professionals, and he's currently helping me personally on my current event, which is for all the property business owners within our sector. I'm holding an event in November. He's actually managing the whole campaign for me in terms of filling the room with 400 business owners. And you know, I've got to say to you is, if you're a business owner, you want to get really savvy with social media, get that engaged in your business, he's your man.